Yeah, hey, okay, yeah, like, ain't nobody as fresh as me. Who the best? That's me. Heard they stress about me. Got a lot of bitches coming up, they just for me. Got a lot of trusses counting up the rats on me. Ain't nobody as fresh as me. Who the best? That's me. Heard they stress about me. They be out here looking like they wanna catch some beef. Motherfuckers out here say they can't dress like me, can't rap like me, can't walk like me, can't talk like me, can't bark like me. Heard they say the bitches wanna come fuck with me. I don't fuck with daddies, man, they can't touch on me. Unlikely that your hoe is wifey material, man. She out there trifling, running with some bitches that she gobble up dick, and I don't give a fuck, nah. I just thought that I should mention, cause you say that she a child of God. Last I heard, man, she would let the pastor hit it raw. See, now I get it, why you always super mad? Why you always on my ass? Boy, you started make me laugh now. Okay, I'm sorry, little nigga, but B, I just gotta keep it 100. You the one who just started, gosh darn it. I really doubt that you niggas is bout it, ayy. And I can't front, you hate me cause I'm on it. And your bitch just farted in the crib and it really stinks, so I gotta kick it right. Thanks for the head and the top, but get out cause your breath stink. All in my bed like enough, I need me a drink. Pouring up a cat that war when I'm bored with your whore. She tell me that you ain't fucking her unless you gon' pay for it, yeah. Since you really boring, yeah, and I'm really scoring, yeah. Saying funny, making jokes on I made Jimmy Dore, yeah. Truth is I be out here doing that stress shit for fun, ayy. You be out here doing all this bullshit for the huns, ayy. I mean bitches, cause if you would do it, you get none. Ayy, these niggas, bro, they got no funds, and tell them I'm my son. Ain't nobody as fresh as me. Who